Today, we are making a cozy bowl of cheddar broccoli lasagna soup. This soup is easy to make, absolutely delicious, creamy, cheesy. I cannot wait for you guys to see it, but before I begin, if you're new, please take a quick moment to subscribe. Like this video for me if you enjoy it, and let's dive in. Alright guys, to begin, I am starting with 2 heads of broccoli. I am going to just cut them just like this. Once you have it like this, you are going to cut it from the stem. I love cheddar broccoli soup. I even use these in there. I think they're so tasty and so good, especially during fall season. It's cold outside. It's just the perfect soup to keep you nice and warm. Once you're done, you're going to add your broccoli to a bowl of water. Mix it up together. Now, I like to add a little bit of apple cider vinegar to my broccoli just to clean it up. You can add some baking soda as well, but I'm gonna let it soak and then give it a nice rinse, about 3 to 4 times. Just rinse it. Alright guys, to begin, I want to show you guys my ingredients before I begin. So I have about a cup of shredded carrots. I have the broccoli nice and cleaned already. Because this is a lasagna soup, I'm not using too much of the broccoli. I have the seasoning here: salt, a little bit of chicken bouillon, nutmeg, paprika, and ground black pepper. And we have some heavy whipping cream. You can add half and half, a little bit of unsalted butter, all-purpose flour, of course, the lasagna noodles. I'm using about 4, and some onions as well as sharp cheddar cheese. I have some chicken broth and some minced garlic. And also, I'm using the recipe secret. It is perfect for soup, so we're gonna add that in there. It's gonna take it to a whole nother level. We're going to heat up a little bit of olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. And then we're going to add in our onions. I'm using about half an onion. I'm going to add in my garlic until that is soft and fragrant. I'm going to add a little bit of flour, about 1 tablespoon. We're going to fry that to remove that raw flour taste. Next, I'm adding in the carrots. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of butter. Mix that up. Now the carrots is nice and soft. I'm going in with my chicken broth. I'm going to pour that in, slowly mix it up. Remember, we have the flour in here. We don't want it to form any lumps, so slowly add that in and mix it. I'm going to add another cup of that chicken broth, so 5 cups of chicken broth in here. And now it's time to add your broccoli. Add that in. It's already smelling good. I'm not even lying to you. It's already smelling amazing. So I'm going to add that in. And also, we're going to season it with our seasoning. We're going to add in the Lipton recipe secret. Put that in. Now I'm going to add my noodles. Just break them into small little pieces and just add them in there. So I'm adding 3. Alrighty. Going to stir it and let that get nice and soft, so we gotta cover this. So now we're going to cover it, allow it to simmer on medium-low until the noodles are nice and soft and the broccoli is nice and tender. Alright guys, it's been about 10 to 15 minutes. Now it's time for me to add in my heavy whipping cream. It smells so good, okay? My heavy whipping cream as well as the cheese. So I'm adding 1 cup of that. Now I'm adding the cheese. This is about 8 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese. Oh yes, ma'am. Give it a little mix. I'm gonna let it go for another 5 minutes and it should be ready. Allow the cheese to melt, of course. And now is the time to taste it for salt and pepper. And yeah, it should be done in less than 5 to 7 minutes. Okay guys, my cheddar broccoli is done. And look at that. It's absolutely delicious. Okay, so delicious. And it smells amazing. Creamy, delicious. You can smell it. Now this is one of my favorite soup besides chicken noodles, okay? And I'm telling you, one of my favorite soup. And let me know down below if you guys going to try this out. It smells so good, it looks so good. The noodles in there is really gonna fill you up. You guys, this is the soup for the fall, okay? This is the soup for the fall. Absolutely so comforting, so delicious, so creamy. Oh. Try this out today. It's that good, especially the noodles in there. Spectacular. So good, so bomb. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Hopefully you make it for your family. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to leave a comment down below if you're going to try this out. Give the video a thumbs up for me if you enjoy it, and I will see you guys on the next delicious recipe. Bye guys.